So we're gonna get into that side muscle right there. Okay, so same thing, if it's too intense on the ground, the wall is excellent for that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is perpendicular first. Here, remember, make sure the feet are nice and clean, it doesn't mark up the wall. Press right here, and I'm just lightly placing my body onto it. Same thing with my feet. I can move my feet out further and put more pressure into the wall, or I can leave them closer. And then all I'm doing is I'm just rolling forward and rolling backwards. Real gentle here. If you haven't done a lot of pull-ups and a lot of, this is your lat work, you might not have a whole lot of muscle here, but you still need to massage this area, one, to help wake it up. So then you could start to developing more muscles there. But three, that area gets tight and cause some shoulder stuff, can even cause your pelvis to hook up, little Michael Jackson action there. But I'm just gently just massaging into this area. Okay? And then I'm just moving up and down. Rotating backwards, rotating forward. And remember, find an area, found a spot, a little bit lower in the back, which is fine. Breathe. Okay? Now, the other thing that's really, really important too is when I get up higher up in here, there's a lot of muscles that come and connect in this spot. If I go right here, I'm gonna press into it. Now I'm gonna move my arm. Here, I'm shifting it and moving. You'll notice that when you press into that muscle, it's gonna be maybe harder to bring that arm up over towards your head, because when you press into a muscle, you've now shortened that muscle, and that's why your range of motion is limited. But this is also why it's important to do movement through that, because it can help clean that up, all right? Here, I can rotate forward onto it, I can rotate back, forward and back, and see I found a tender area? It caused my face to squinch up. Now all I gotta do is stay here and relax and breathe, okay? Give that a go, and let me know what you think.